Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at Scribe. We're also having a look at Trainual. We want to know what they actually offer and how they're going to benefit you. So without further ado, let's check them out. Oh, right. Before we start, don't forget to use the link in the description down below to get started with the software. It is an affiliate link, so we will get a small kickback once you've clicked on that, and you'll be helping support our channel. Right, let's do it. So the first thing we're going to do is jump into Scribe. So Scribe automatically creates step-by-step guides as you perform a task. This feature significantly reduces the time and effort required to actually document your processes. Scribe's browser extension allows you to capture workflows directly from your web browser, making it easy to document your online processes and tasks. They also offer a desktop application for capturing workflows performed on your computer, and this ensures that you can document any process regardless of the application you're using. Scribe allows you to annotate screenshots with text, arrows, and shapes, and can help you highlight important details and provide clear instructions. It also allows you to edit and customize the steps in your guide, adding additional information or clarifying instructions. This ensures that your guides are accurate and easy to understand. Scribe makes it easy to share your guides with others via links or embedding them into your internal documentation. This facilitates knowledge sharing and collaboration within your team. One or two of their drawbacks, though, is because Scribe primarily focuses on creating text-based guides with screenshots, offering limited support for video tutorials. This can be a bit of a drawback if you do prefer that video-based documentation. Also, while it allows you to customize your steps, its editing features are relatively basic compared to dedicated video editing software. It can also limit your ability to create highly polished or more interactive tutorials. Alright, so let's jump into Trainual now. So Trainual is trusted by more than 8,000 small businesses across industries such as real estate, healthcare, marketing, and a bunch more. It also provides comprehensive platforms for documenting your processes, onboarding, and even training your employees. The powerful solution combines standard operating procedures, policies, quizzes, and role-based assignments into one centralized system, making it ideal for organizations scaling from 5 up to 500 employees. You can also see some of their extensive features include their centralized knowledge base. You can create and organize all your company's procedures, policies, and best practices into one searchable hub, ensuring that there is consistent information access. You can also engage employees with multimedia content, including videos, images, and embedded files to enhance your learning retention. And you can monitor completion rates, quiz scores, and identify knowledge gaps with robust reporting, as well as their analytics tools. You can also see over here some of their core strengths include structured onboarding. It also includes built-in assessments. You also have a course library with more than 380 ready-to-assign courses. You also get the visual org chart, which clarifies roles and ensures accountability with interactive organization charts and built-in e-signature capabilities. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the content. If it was enjoyable, drop us a like. Don't forget to use that link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link. You'll help support our channel. Until next time, take care.